Today, members of the Joan Masowe Echishano Church gathered at State House in Harare for yet another Super Wednesday interfaith with First Lady Dr. Mnangagwa. But let us be clear, this is a recycled script. We have seen it before. Munwese kuna Amai, Munwese kuna Dr. Stop it. It's a tired performance designed to manufacture consent and distract from the real political crisis. Sarabena mashoko atona kuti vanachipomsarurwa vauya panguva ino vachiti zvinhu zviri kuitiwa aiwa the regime panguva ino aiwa taneta nazvo izvi zvinhu zvatakabvira taexperiensa kubva kare kuchiri nana Mugabe achiti don't try to distract us. Politics chaizo toziziva not bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. The regime continues to exploit religious gatherings, parading apostasy and so-called prophets to legitimize its rule. But Zimbabweans are no longer fooled. We saw the same playbook under Robert Mugabe, a man ruling from the grave, and Ziva Mugabe, Wachatonga, Chirohari Muguwa, and now we see it again under Emmerson Mnangagwa, whose grip on power is sleeping. The truth is undeniable. General Chiwenga is the next president of Zimbabwe. Like it or not, the tide is turned. The people have spoken, and no amount of staged rallies or spiritual manipulation will reverse the momentum. We reject the use of faith as a political tool. We reject the false prophets and choreographed endorsements. Zimbabwe observes leadership rooted in integrity, not deception. The script is broken. The people are awake. The future belongs to General Chiwenga. Domashwa arikuda panguva ino aiwa vangoenda vachiramba vachiti musadi kuti nyepera kana kuda kutifadza kana kuda kuita as if maybe your stay in power iri defined or supported by religious beliefs or apostle or prophets. But we know the truth. Your time is up. Itamu yende. It is now time ya vipi kwanza no Chiwenga yakupinda. Pinda comment section medu mbodi za mafunguro enyu motudi pa msoro vichitko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.